Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue practice our HTML and CSS skills, and in this video we'll create a very attractive banner using HTML and CSS. Also we create some animation. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we create new div and add class banner, and also we'll import images. Add src attribute, and we need to copy link. Okay, add this link here, and also add alt attribute. We can write YouTube logo. Okay, and also create class. Thanks to this class, we'll add stuff for our images. Add YouTube logo and correct letters, because we'll use lowercase, and close our tag. Okay, next we need to create some title. I'll create h1 tag and writing some YouTube CSS animation, but you can writing something else what you like. Okay, and create h2 tag and also add some text. I'll add make your website stand out. Create this word, website stand out. Okay, and create our link to our video. Add href attribute and add class button. Okay, and writing some text like watch now. Okay, and in the end we need to import two icons, but it doesn't necessarily. Add class icons and create two tag img and add src attribute and copy these links. Close this tag and create the same for CSS. And create some alt attribute like HTML logo and copy paste CSS logo. Okay, let's look at the window. Here's our markup, here's our images, and close these links because it won't need anymore. And now we can start create some styles. Create styles file and connect this file here, and also let's change title. We can write dynamic YouTube banner. Okay, open our style, and first we need to add stuff for our elements body. Also add for HTML and add margin 0, padding 0 and height 100%. And also add display flags because we need to position our element inside in center, and add justify content center, align items center, and create some background using background. Add light and let's add some font family. Create property font family and using Arial sans serif. Okay, let's look at the window. Like you see, our styles is work, and next we need to add stuff for our banner. Create new rule for our banner, and first we need to change position, add relative and add width. Also add height and add background color. Now we can use in light. Okay, and let's create some shadow using box shadow property and 0, 4 and add pixels and 20 pixels, and also add some color. We can use RGB and 0, 0, 0 and add opacity, because if we don't add opacity, our shadow will be too dark. Okay, and let's add display flags, flags direction column, and copy these two properties, because we again need center our elements. Okay, now it looks nice, and next we need to add radius. Create border radius and also change text align center, because all our text must be in center, and add color. Color will be black, and in the end we need to add overflow hidden. Okay, our banner is ready, and next we need to add stuff for inside banner elements. Create new rule using our banner and using h1 tag. First add font size and delete margin and add text. Transform will be using uppercase. Okay, and add some color and also change font weight. We'll be using bold. Okay, and let's look at the window. Now we don't see our title because our icon is too big. Let's first change size our icons. Create new rule. We'll be using icons tag and combine this class with our image tag. Okay, and change width and height. Okay, now we see our title, and we can continue and create styles for our H2 title. Copy this rule, but only change tag. Okay, let's continue. Create font size and change margin, because our element must be in the center, because our element must have space inside, and also add color and create text transform. We'll again using uppercase and copy font weight bold. Okay, our description is also ready, and next we need to create styles for our button. We'll be using our button class, and first we created padding. Okay, and next create font size 24 pixels and copy text transform uppercase, and text decoration none, because we don't need any line in our button. Okay, and create color. We'll be using white, and create background color. Again using our red color, like in title, and delete border. Correct this spelling. Okay, let's look at our button. Okay, it looks nice, but we also need to add border radius 5 pixel, and change cursor property. We need cursor pointer. Okay, and add some animation, add property, transition, and change our animation. We can use easy. Okay, now our button appear more slowly, and also let's create a button effect. Copy this tag and create hover, but we need to correct it. Okay, and now let's change transform scale, because we want to change size our button when people hover on our button. And also add shadow, create box shadow, and 0, 8 and 20 pixels. Don't forget about pixels. And add some color. We can copy the same color, but we'll change opacity value. We'll be using 3. Okay, let's look. Okay, I think it looks nice. And next, let's add some animation for our banner. Create fade in using keyframes, and create fade in. It's a very popular animation when our element appeared and disappeared slowly, using opacity 0 and opacity 1. Okay, and create one more animation. It's also very popular animation. It names slide in. It works the same, but our element is also move. Let's use it. Transform, translate y20 pixels, and in the finish we need 0. Correct it. Okay, and save. Okay, and in the end we also need one more animation. It names bones. Copy this keyframe, and it also very simple animation. Add name bones and add some parts. We can write all in one line. It will help. Don't copy our code. Using again transform, and this time we'll be using the same. Copy this property, transform, translate y, and create also 2 parts. Copy, but change percent and change our value. First we need 20 pixels, and next we need 10 pixels. Okay, and also we need to add styles for our icons. We can add here or we can add these styles below. I think we'll add here change position, absolute, and add top 20 pixels and right 20 pixels. Display flex and gap 10 pixels. Okay, let's look at the window. Here's our icons. It works because we added one very important property. We added position relative. If it doesn't work in your code, you need to add position relative for your banner. Okay, and our banner is almost ready, but we also need to connect our animation for our elements. First, let's add animation for our button. Create new property, animation, and using our animation, we don't must write it, we can copy name animation and add sometimes 2 seconds and infinity. Okay, let's look at the window. Our animation is work. I think it's very attractive animation, and next we need to add animation for our titles and description. Copy this property and put here, but we need to change some value. First we need to change name of animation, because for each one we'll be using fade in, and change option of animation we'll be using easy in out. Okay, I think it looks nice, but we also need to change animation for our H2 tag. We'll be using our slide in and change time our animation, and also copy this value. Okay, today we created very attractive banner, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.